All right, what's good, YouTube? I got a giant box in the mail today. Check this thing out. It's massive. Look at this. It's huge. So we're going to crack into it and talk about what's in here. This is probably the biggest shoe order, single shoe order ever, but shout out to Dan Corrigan's YouTube channel. Dan just got sponsored by Etnies, and so he had a discount code, a one-time discount code for their shoes, and 20% off, I think it was. And they were concurrently having a sale, so I stocked up. Let's dig in real quick and see what we got in here. So I'm gonna have to try all of these on too in the next few days, but I got this Santa Cruz mid-high, which might make a good skate shoe, I hope. Pretty good looking shoe. I got all these in a 9.5, so which I hope fits. Most of their shoes I take a 9.5, but lately some of them I've been taking a 10, so I'm gonna try things on. Things may be, some things may be getting exchanged, but what's this one here? This is the Marana Michelin. I've always wanted to try these. I've been wanting to try these Michelin soles, even though I would wear these for work, but they look kind of boss. So, I don't know, I have to think about this. I think I bought this color because it was on sale, but I don't imagine these staying clean long at work, so I got to think about these. And also they may, if I do keep them, they may just become like a dress shoe or something. But what else we got here? The Cresta. I got this one in black, yeah. So this is a pretty pimpin' shoe too. Look at this. And got a nice looking sole as well. So yeah, I don't know. Some of these I've never tried, so I figured this was a good opportunity to try a bunch of stuff. If I don't like it, I can send it back. They've got a great return policy. They're really cool. And I try not to abuse it either. You know, if I even remotely like something and it fits, I usually keep it. What's this one here? This is the Aurelian. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's also a Michelin. This is a real looker of the shoe. I think this is navy and white or black and white. Let's say on here. Yeah, navy, white, and gold. It's a real looker of a shoe. It's got a nice sole. A lot of padding in this one around the collar and the toe. So I'm excited to try that. So yeah, just a quick unboxing. I'll do another video when I try these on, and because I gotta lace some of them up and everything, but should be pretty cool. So shout out to Dan Corrigan, thanks for the discount code. Shout out to Etnies, thanks for making consistently great shoes. They're probably my favorite skate shoe brand right now. I'm not sure if they're still under the Sole Technologies umbrella. I had a different company name come up when I ordered this time, so I hope they're doing okay. I don't know if they just got rebranded, their parent company, or if they got bought by someone, but if it's the latter, I hope that they don't mess up a good thing like all too many companies do when they acquire like really good shoe brands. So anyway, thanks for checking in, guys. I will dig you later. More to come on these. See ya.